Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most useful topics for beginners, question words in Korean. If you want to ask what, who, where, or when in Korean, this is the lesson for you. I'll walk you through the essential question words first, then we'll look at real example sentences so you can see how they're actually used. Make sure you have your book open to page 59 so you can follow along and match each Korean word with its English meaning. Ready? Let's get into it. First up, the 10 question words you absolutely need to know. I will read each Korean word.
뭐, 누구, 어디, 언제, 왜, 어떻게, 얼마, 몇, 어느, 무슨.
Now let's put these to work. Here are some everyday questions you'll hear and use all the time in Korean. Listen and practice several times.
이게 뭐예요? 누구세요? 화장실 어디예요? 언제 가요? 왜 울어요? 어떻게 가요? 이거 얼마예요? 몇 시예요? 어느 나라 사람이에요? 무슨 음식 좋아해요?
And here's a quick tip before we go. Making a question in Korean is actually super simple. Just add a question mark and raise your voice at the end. The word order stays the same. So,
커피 좋아해요?
I like coffee becomes,
커피 좋아해요?
do you like coffee? Easy, right? That's it for today. Practice these out loud. The more you say them, the more natural they'll feel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.